Understanding timber framing, a guide to traditional building techniques. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of timber framing. This term might be new to you, but it's a crucial part of construction and architecture. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. Timber framing is a method of building with heavy timbers rather than thinner dimensional lumber like 2x4s. This technique dates back hundreds of years and is known for its strength, durability, and aesthetic beauty. The frame is made of large wooden beams interlocked with joints and secured with wooden pegs. This method is often seen in houses, barns, and other structures, especially in historical buildings. In timber framing, several key components are vital. The posts are vertical beams that support the structure. Beams are horizontal timbers that connect to the posts. Joints are the connections where two pieces of wood come together, often in intricate designs like dovetails or mortise and tenon. The braces are diagonal timbers that provide additional stability. Timber framing isn't just about structure. It's also about aesthetics. These frames create stunning, open interior spaces with visible wooden beams, adding character and warmth. Timber-framed buildings are also eco-friendly, as wood is a renewable resource, and the method allows for better insulation, reducing energy costs. Today, timber framing has seen a resurgence, blending traditional techniques with modern technology. It's used in custom home building and commercial structures, offering a unique and rustic appeal. Modern timber framing often involves computer-aided design, CAD, to ensure precision and strength. Thank you for joining us to learn about timber framing. It's a beautiful and practical building method with a rich history. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. Remember, learning English opens the door to a world of knowledge. Keep exploring and expanding your horizons.